Bananas fuel the body with natural nutrients that support everyday health. Once consumed, bananas begin breaking down to release essential nutrients. In the intestines, nutrients are absorbed and delivered throughout the body. This process supports energy, muscle function, and overall wellness. Bananas provide glucose and vitamin B6 to support brain performance. Potassium helps muscles function properly and supports recovery. Dietary fiber helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Bananas offer steady energy without extreme spikes. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort. Food allergies can vary from person to person. Natural sugars may temporarily raise blood glucose levels. Balanced intake helps maintain stable energy levels.